Hi everybody, this is Andy, Bow Ties Are Cool. Thanks for joining me this morning on Curiosity Corner Live for paper airplanes and helicopters. I wanted to show you a couple other designs. This one right here is one that I used this morning, but I put some tape on it and added some little flaps on the side to try to make it fly a little better. And here's another one that's very similar to this design but with a little extra step. So let's see how these fly. I'll try to aim so that it flies past the banner. Here we go. Flew pretty well. Let's try this one. Oh, it kind of fell down, but we're going to try again. It flies pretty well. So those are a couple designs that you can use for paper airplanes. And I challenge you to make a paper helicopter that can fly vertically. This one goes down. This doesn't work. Also goes down. So that's another challenge that still stands. See if you can design a helicopter that can go up. So that's it from me for today, but be sure to come back tomorrow at 10:30. We're going to talk about paddle boats, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you subscribe every day at 10:30. We have new content for you, and that's it. So stay curious.